Pozdravljeni, moje ime je Mojmir in vi ste v Kuhinji za najboljše. Danes bi lahko brcali žogo, igrali nogomet ali pa plesali sambo. Ampak ker nažalost to ni mogoče, bomo ves ta temperament prenesli v hrano. Tako je, kuhali bomo po brazilsko. Danes je tukaj z mano Andre. Andre, hi.
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan. Can you tell us what are we going to prepare today?
So today we're going to prepare shrimp bobo.
Okay.
We are going to prepare salpicão, it's a chicken salad.
Okay.
And then a caipirinha, that's a typical drink of Brazil.
Very nice. Torej, za prvo jed, tropska piščančja solata, bomo potrebovali kuhana in natrgane piščančje prsi, koruzo, rozine, korenje, stebelno zeleno, limeto, zelena jabolka, ananas, sveža zelišča in pa čips. Za naslednjo jed, škampov bobo, ki je kot neka gosta enolončnica, bomo potrebovali manjoko, rdečo papriko, čebulo in česen, svež čili, file paradižnika, škampe, koriander, palmino olje in pa kokosovo mleko. Za caipirinho bomo potrebovali seveda cachaço, did I say it right? Cachaça, limete in pa beli sladkor. So, Andre, should we get started?
Okay.
You can start with the bobo and I'll start with the salad.
Okay.
Okay. So, Andre, tell me, what did bring you to Slovenia?
I'm a diplomat, so I was posted, this is my first post. I was posted to our Brazilian embassy in Ljubljana in 2011, already 3 years now.
Okay, so how do you like Slovenia?
Slovenija je lepa država in Ljubljana je lepo mesto.
Zelo lepo, zelo lepo.
Yes.
So, let's go a little back to Brazil.
Yes.
What's the culinary in Brazil? Why did you choose these two dishes and what's so special about them?
So, culinary in Brazil, I think one thing it's important to say is that Brazil is a very big country.
Yes,
so
of course.
They are very different. In each region, they have their own culinary tradition. For instance, I'm from Rio de Janeiro, here the Christ the Redeemer, the city,
nice.
and we have a cuisine from the Amazon, we have the cuisine from the Northeast, and this bobo is from Bahia. Bahia is the center of the African Brazilian culture and, of course, cuisine also.
Okay, so can you tell me a bit about the ingredients? We don't know them, they're not so usual in Slovenia.
So this is manioc.
Okay.
It's also found in Africa and I think in other tropical places. And this is interesting because when the Portuguese discovered Brazil in 1500, this was the basic of our food during colonial times. The Indian taught us how to use manioc, and now manioc for 2 centuries was the base of Brazilian food, and now it's a very important part of our Brazilian gastronomy.
So, how will we prepare it?
You have to peel, the skin off, to cut in small pieces, and to boil it because it's very hard.
Okay, so how long we need to boil it for?
Half an hour is okay.
Okay.
So it's better to cut it like that. That's it. Now we can, because we are going to do a small portion.
Yes,
so
you usually make it more, or?
Yes, because it's a little bit of a hard dish to do. It's not a thing that you would do every day. It's for special occasions, when you invite guests in your house. It's not something that you would eat every day.
Med tem časom sem jaz že narezal ananas, stebelno zeleno, sesekljal zelišča, dodal bom narezana jabolka, zlate rozine, koruzo in pa piščanca, vse skupaj premešal, dodal majonezo za malenkost smetane, začinil in počasi bo solata končana.
Za piščančji salpicão potrebujemo 2 piščančjih prsi, 1 strok česna, sol, poper, 1 žlico limoninega soka, 3 skodelice vode, 1 čebulo, 1 koren, peteršilj, koriander, drobnjak, 1 paradižnik, 5 krompirjev, 1 zeleno papriko, 1 stebelno zeleno, 2 kisli jabolki, 50 gramov fižola v konzervi, bel balzamični kis, olivno olje in 1 skodelico majoneze. Recept najdete na ave.si.
So this we can already put to boil.
Okay. I'll do that for you. So you can tell me a little bit more about the salad. What's so special about the salad?
The salad, actually, it's something that in Brazil you would have for Christmas.
So it's a typical Christmas
yes,
dish?
it's a typical Christmas side dish, and you can see that there's raisins that we eat in Christmas, and also poultry that we eat in Christmas.
Okay.
You know that Christmas in Brazil is in the middle of summer, so it's very hot, so it's very good to have this kind of refreshing food during Christmas.
Okay.
So that's why.
This is for Christmas. Do you have any other ritual foods or rituals that include food?
Ritual food?
I think something of feijoada.
Oh yes, feijoada is maybe the most famous, one of the most famous. It's black beans with different kinds of parts of the pork, pork meat.
For instance?
Yeah, the traditional feijoada, it has the pork tail, the pork ear, everything. And generally you can have a big feijoada. It's something that you do for a lot of people, for 50 people or something like that. And then you have, and feijoada is related to some, you can have a big feijoada with samba music and this kind of feijoada.
So now we could finish the salad.
Yes.
Throw everything inside.
Yes.
You can put the salt and pepper.
Oh, okay.
Tell me, Andre, do you eat a lot of seafoods in Brazil, or is it mostly meat?
Yeah, actually not so much. Although we have a very, very big coast, 9,000 kilometers, more than 9,000 kilometers of coast, we all eat mostly beef. We are beef eaters. That's why we are very famous throughout the world for our churrasco and churrascarias. That is basically a restaurant that serves meat, you know, in this form, all you can eat. And the meat passes around the table, so we are big meat eaters, big meat exporters, we are a big meat producing country. That's why when we have special dishes, usually we use seafood.
Very nice. Oh, we almost forgot, we put also grated carrots in, right?
Yes, it's very important.
Okay. Okay, so now the carrot, if you can mix it again.
Okay.
I'll prepare the plate. So on top we put some chips, some potato
it's called
chips.
Batata palha.
Okay, it's chip straws.
Chip straws, exactly.
Okay.
Chip straws, yes.
So this is the salad. You can put the chips.
Top.
Takole in res po vrhu potresemo z krompirjevimi ocvrtimi palčkami oziroma čipsom, da doda neko hrustljavost. In takole naša solata je končana, tako da se lahko zdaj popolnoma posvetimo našemu bobotu. So, Andre, we're at bobo. We can start. I can chop the onion, if you like. And so what do we do then?
We have to take the shrimp and marinate it with limeta, the green lemon, salt and pepper for a little while.
So, when do you eat bobo? Why is it so special?
Because it's hard to do.
Can you serve it on any holiday or maybe at carnivals? Do you have? I know you have a lot of carnivals.
Actually, in carnival, people dance a lot. So if you eat heavy meals, it's not good, especially because you're out in the hot weather and drinking a lot and dancing a lot. So it's better to eat a salpicão or a salad, something a little bit lighter.
So it's actually there's no typical food for carnivores, just light food.
Caipirinha would be no. There's some
not
drinks.
Food, but okay.
There's some drinks that from some each because also for carnival as for culinary there are different types of carnival. You have the carnival in Rio, you have the carnival in Salvador, in different cities in Ouro Preto. So each carnival has a bit its tradition also.
Oh, okay.
So here is marinating.
Okay, so then we're gonna need some onions, also some garlic at the beginning.
Yes.
Just slices.
Yes. And while we do that, we should do the manioc.
To drain it.
Yes.
Korenina se je kuhala se je dobre pol ure. Tako. Dodali bomo kokosovo mleko. To bomo zdaj zmiksali, da v bistvu rata gosta krema, ki jo bomo kasneje tudi uporabili za zalivanje našega bobota.
Za bobo de camarao potrebujemo 1 kg svežih škampov, 1,5 kg korenine manioke, 50 ml olivnega olja, 500 g paradižnika, olupljenega in brez semen, 1 papriko, 3 stroke česna, 20 ml limoninega soka, 1 čebulo, 2 skodelici kokosovega mleka, čili, sol in svež koriander. Recept najdete na ave.si.
So Andrej, now we have the onion is going. Dodali bomo še papriko, malo čilija. Dodali bomo paradižnik, ki smo mu odstranili in kožo in semena, da bo dodal neko sočnost jedi. Seseklan koriander. Andrej, while this is cooking, tell me how do you prepare your beef? Like in Argentina or
Yes, we prepare in the churrasco style. So it's a style that it's also in Uruguay and Argentina and in the south of Brazil. So now everywhere in the world there are the Brazilian churrascarias, is the restaurants that serve meat grilled in churrasco style. Argentina, Uruguay and Brazil have very, very good meat. So the idea is to keep it simple, do it with some salt, nothing, to feel the taste of the meat. And now I think there's a restaurant that just opened in Ljubljana now in the summer, serving this kind of food.
Oh, they also serve this
Yes.
How did you say sure?
Churrasco. Yeah.
Okay, so this is all cooking together. Zdaj smo vse zmešali skupaj. Počakamo in na srednjem ognju dušimo približno še 5 do 10 minut, da se vse lepo zmehča, nato pa gremo naprej. Okay, so Andrej, you said you prepared the meat very simple.
Yes.
Only salt, pepper.
Generally,
but
yes.
this dish, it has a lot of herbs, a lot of spices.
Yes.
We're gonna put some chili inside, but you usually prepare also on the side.
Yes, because since it's very hot, the chili we use generally, this chili also is very hot that we found here. So we put a little bit there and more for people who like it more hot.
I can put a little bit.
No, it's after.
After? Okay, sorry. Okay, so now we have to put some olive oil.
Yes,
Okay,
just to make
we have it here.
side dish pepper.
Torej, kot je Andrej rekel, nekaj čilija bomo dali v samo jed, ker je že v naravi pekoča. Ponavadi pa, tako kot smo naredila, nasekljajo čili, dajo ga v olje, postane olje pikantno, pekoče in postrežejo zraven jedi. Če si kdo želi dodati, da ima rajši bolj pekoče, si lahko mirne volje da. Zdaj tole se je zmehčalo, paradižnik je spustil sok, lahko dodamo škampe. Škampi so se malenkost že marinirali, malenkost obdelali z limetinim sokom. Počakamo, da povre, malenkost vode, da se škampi skuhajo, nato bomo pa dodali še našo manioko za smetano. Takole, zdaj so se nam škampi skuhali, lepo vre. Dodamo našo manioko za kokosovim mlekom. So, I can add it?
Yes.
Andrej, okay. Just say stop. Okay.
A little bit more.
You need maybe some more coconut milk?
Yeah, after here boil, you put some coconut.
Is it enough?
Just a little bit
Just
more.
a little bit more, okay.
Sorry. Okay, thank you.
Tako, zaradi manioke, ki je čist škrobnata, je to res taka gosta osnova, kar vidite se tudi malo vleče zaradi škrobnastosti. Tole se mora zdaj malo pokuhati, zavreti, nato bomo dodali še malo kokosovega mleka in pa na koncu malenkost čilija in pa dotik palminega olja, ki ne sme zavreti, ampak doda tisti glavni udarec jedi in največ arome. Torej, zdaj je to zavrelo, vzamemo dol iz ognja and then we add coconut milk.
Yes.
Okay, how much, Andrej?
Half of this is okay.
Okay. I mix it?
Yes.
Okay. Zdaj, ko je zavrelo in smo to dodali, ne sme več zavreti. Samo premešamo.
So this is the palm oil.
Okay, it gives the extra flavor.
It's very typical of African dishes, this palm oil.
It's very thick.
Very
Koliko
thick.
kar vidite, je tudi zelo taka intenzivna barva. It's gonna also add some color.
Yes,
right?
yes. Generally we put just a little bit, not too much.
Kot lahko vidimo, res spreminja celo jed v oranžasto, dodaja kontrast.
We can put a little bit.
Še malenkost čilija. So we can serve this.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
So you usually serve this with rice,
Yes, generally with rice,
plain rice.
plain rice, because it has already a lot of taste, or with manioc flour also.
Okay. Takole in najin škampov bobo je končan. So Andrej, we
Yes.
need something to drink along the dishes.
Yes, it's true.
What are we gonna make?
So we're going to make a caipirinha. It's a combination
Okay.
of cachaça.
Okay.
This is the brand that we can find here. But cachaça, Brazil started as a colony, a sugar-producing colony. And cachaça is our national drink. It's produced from sugar. So since the colonial times, we produce cachaça. And there's hundreds and hundreds of cachaça types, and some are very interesting. Maybe this I brought from my house to show to you. So you
Okay.
can smell and
can
you
try
can drink a little bit.
So this is aged.
This is aged. This is the brown cachaça.
Okay.
You also have white cachaça. So you have
Okay.
many kinds of many kinds of types of cachaças. So you see it's very nice.
It's
huh?
excellent. It's
Yes,
excellent.
yes.
Now, what else do we need to make the perfect caipirinha?
But for caipirinha, it's better to use a more common cachaça.
Okay.
So because not to have two different flavors, like the sugar, we use just normal sugar.
Okay.
Some people use brown sugar. I think it's better to use like this. And the green lemon.
Okay, the lime.
Yes.
Okay.
Za caipirinho potrebujemo 1 kg limet, led, pol litra kakaa in 50 g sladkorja. Recept najdete na ave.si.
So do you drink a lot of caipirinha in Brazil? Is it a very common drink?
Yes, it's a very common drink. And now it's a very common drink all over the world.
Yes,
yes,
we know
yes,
that. We drink
yes,
it also here.
So that's why cachaça is being exported all over the world, and people are starting to discover that it's not only the ingredient for caipirinha, but also a very interesting drink. Before they used to call it Brazilian rum, but
Yes, it
now
tastes something like
yes,
that.
but now you have to call it cachaça by law. You cannot call it Brazilian rum.
That's good because we don't
Yes,
make
yes.
mistakes.
Yes, yes. It's not a Brazilian rum. And caipirinha is not mojito, it's caipirinha. It's different.
okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
So you cut the lemon.
Yes.
What do we do next?
So we're going to crush the lemon
Okay.
here.
You need ice, Andrej?
I need ice, normal ice.
Okay,
Everything in
just a
caipirinha
second.
is normal. It's not very complicated. It's normal cachaça, normal sugar also. It's not brown sugar. Everything is normal. Of course, people put different things, but the more classical one, everything is normal.
Okay, so let me just ask you, Andrej.
Yes.
When do you drink caipirinha in Brazil? Do you have it with the dishes, with like an appetizer?
No, in
or
the bar,
in the bar.
in carnival, in a carnival block,
Every
or in
day,
a carnival.
every moment?
No, every.
No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so we crush the...
You crush the lemon gently. You don't have to crush it so hard. So now we put the cachaça,
Okay.
1 spoon of sugar, a little bit more.
Okay.
Now we mix.
Smells nice. Very
Yes.
fresh.
And it's very different from mojito and other drinks.
Oh, yeah, it's very special.
Because the smell of the cachaça is different also.
Okay, so now we put ice.
We put ice here maybe, so then we put this here. Okay. Then we will taste to see if you want more lemon, more cachaça, or more ice. Generally it's a smaller cup because it's a quite strong drink also. So.
Takole, z mojim gostom Andrejem sva končala piščančjo eksotično solato in pa najin škampov bobo. Naredila sva si caipirinhe in bova nazdravila. So, Andrej, a toast to Brazil winning the championship.
Oh, thank you. Na zdravje.
Čin čin. Vam gledalci pa dober tek.